In the quiet of her room, Mila lies in bed, her gaze lost in the moonlit sky, filled with dreams and longing. A silent whisper escapes her lips. "I wish I could touch the moon." Suddenly, a magical silver light floods the room, bathing everything in an ethereal glow. A breathtaking staircase of stardust materializes, beckoning her towards the heavens. Mila ascends the staircase, stepping into the ethereal glow of Lunaria. Silver trees shimmer under the moonlight, and star-like creatures dance around her. Luno, a gentle, glowing rabbit, approaches Mila with a serene gaze. Luno says, "Welcome, Mila. We've been waiting for a kind heart like yours." Luno guides Mila into a towering structure of luminous stones where a dim moon crystal awaits. The moon crystal sits atop a pedestal, its light weak, barely illuminating the tower. Mila gently touches the crystal, her eyes closing as she relives joyful memories. The crystal responds to Mila's touch, its faint glow intensifying. The tower is bathed in a radiant light as the crystal's magic returns. Luno exclaims, "You did it! Your kindness brought the magic back."